Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parpalli Street, Siddipet. We are at what acids and bases. So we discussed up to what today 11 what lectures we completed. So in lecture number 1 we completed about what introduction of what acids and bases. Lecture number 2 we completed about what theories of acids and bases. In the theories of acids and bases we completed Arrhenius theory. Next one, Bronsted-Lowry theory. Lecture number 3 we discussed about what Bronsted-Lowry theory. In lecture number 4 we discussed about what Levy's theory. In lecture number 5 we discussed about what introduction to the Telangana state syllabus. Next one, in lecture number 6 we discussed about what classification of acids. In lecture number 7 we discussed about what classification of bases. Lecture number 8 properties of acids. Lecture number 9 properties of bases. 10 olfactor indicators. What is mean by olfactor indicators? How they work. Next one, lecture number 11 reaction of acids with acids and bases with metals. Next one, now we are at what lecture number 12. This is the what reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. That means what metal carbonates and bicarbonates. So that is what we are at what reaction of acids with metal what carbonates and bicarbonates, metal carbonates and bicarbonates with acids So in this what we will discuss about what reaction of acids with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. So in order to perform this what activity, so we go through what lab activity. In the lab activity, first we should discuss about what what are the materials required, which materials are required in order to perform this activity or perform this what lab activity. So what are the materials are required? So the materials are, first one is what stand. This is the what stand. So now what this after taking of stand we arranged or we fitted what a test tube or a boiling tube, then what another one is what rubber cork. Here what we should take 2-hole rubber cork. So from one hole we should place the thistle funnel. It is used to what pass acid. Another one is what delivery tube. This is the what another test tube which is what filled with what calcium hydroxide lime water solution. So now what in order to perform this activity, first what we should take we take what a test tube, and in that test tube we took what around 0.5 grams or 1 gram of sodium carbonate. Then what we fitted this test tube with 2-hole rubber cork. After this one what after fitting of 2-hole rubber cork, from the first hole we place what thistle funnel, and the second hole we place what delivery tube. So this through the thistle funnel we should take what pour acid, hydrochloric acid we should pour. So now whenever what we will pour the hydrochloric acid, the second end of the thistle funnel must be present in this solution. If it is placed above the solution, the gas may be escaped here. So that's why it should be placed within the what solution. Second end should be placed in the solution. And this is the thistle funnel should be arranged above the solution. It should not be water dipped in the solution. If it is dipped in the solution, the gas which is developed in this test tube increases the water pressure, and that water pressure may be blast the test tube. So that's why it should be placed above the water solution. Now these two what are these two? Sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid reacts with each other and formed a gas. What is the gas? Carbon dioxide gas is released. Which reaction takes place here? Now let me write. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 is what Na2CO3 is reacts with what HCl, hydrochloric acid. So whenever it is reacts with HCl, what we will get? Sodium chloride, H2O, and what CO2. To balance this one, 2 sodiums are there, so 2 sodiums. Here 2 chlorines, so 2 HCl. So 2 hydrogens, 3 carbons, 1 carbon, 3 oxygens. So now it is balanced. Which gas is released here? Carbon dioxide gas is released. This carbon dioxide released gas, how it will passed? This carbon dioxide released gas is what passed through the delivery tube. Into the water, lime water. What is the role of lime water? This lime water is used in order to detect the water gas, in order to detect the released gas. If it is carbon dioxide, the lime water is turns into milky white. The gas which will turns lime water into milky white is called as what? Carbon dioxide gas. That is the what test of carbon dioxide. Why it will turns into milky white? Because this is the what lime water is nothing but what calcium hydroxide. In this calcium hydroxide we were sending what carbon dioxide gas. When we send the carbon dioxide gas, what will happen, sir? These two are reacts with each other and formed calcium carbonate plus water. Calcium carbonate is a white PPT, white precipitate. So that's why the solution will turns into what? Milky white. This is the what? Precipitate. Precipitate means the solid substance which is formed in the chemical reactions is called as precipitate. It is goes down towards the bottom of the test tube. Bottom of the test tube. But if we pass continuously carbon dioxide gas through the lime water, so that precipitate is what? Dissolved. That means what? Soluble. So solution is formed. How it will form, sir? Because due to the passage of this one, calcium carbonate is formed. If we pass continuously carbon dioxide gas, so that what? Solution has water. So that's why this the calcium carbonate is reacts with excess of carbon dioxide and converted into what? Calcium bicarbonate. This is the water soluble form. What it is? Soluble form. This is the water soluble form. So that's why this is not the precipitate. That means what? That white color is distributed throughout the solution. If we carry the same experiment by taking what? Metal hydrogen carbonate. Here we take what? Instead of what? Sodium carbonate, you take what? Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. How many grams? It is also what? 0.5 grams, or you may take what? 1 gram. 0.5 grams or 1 gram of sodium carbonate is taken, and this total experiment is repeated. Here what? The gas which is released through the delivery tube also turns this lime water into what? Milky white. From this what we can conclude? Which gases turns lime water into milky white? Carbon dioxide can only turns lime water into milky white, such that we can understood that what? The gas which is released in this experiment is what? Carbon dioxide gas. Which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. From this we can conclude that what? Metal carbonates as well as what? Metal hydrogen carbonates reacts with acids and releases which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. Which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. So which chemical reactions takes place in that process? Let we discuss. Now let you take what? Instead of what? Sodium carbonate, now you can take what? Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. This is sodium hydrogen carbonate, also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Whenever it is reacts with what? Hydrochloric acid, it will what? Gives sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus H2O is formed. Carbon dioxide gas is released. Which gas is released? Carbon dioxide gas is released, such that gas is sent into the lime water, turns into milky white. Here also, if we want to pass carbon dioxide for long period of time or continuous, do we get the same solution? Do we get this solution? Do we get? Yes, do we get? Yes, because here also formed calcium carbonate reacts with excess of carbon dioxide in presence of aqueous medium, converted into what? Soluble calcium bicarbonate. So dear teachers and students, kindly send this video who are not having coaching affordability, or we are not having sufficient knowledge or sufficient concepts in this lesson. Thanking you.